Prologue. Let's just get one thing out of the way. You're a slob. You know you are. Otherwise, you wouldn't have picked up this book to find out just what kind of slob you might be. You may be one of those people who seem impeccable in appearance and lifestyle, but you know that somewhere deep down inside you, some invisible something is letting you down in some way. And you're incredibly right. That's completely cool, by the way. This book is all about how to turn that around. That dust hidden in the corner of your spiritual self, so to speak. That lingering in the crevices of your being. Better still, this book shows you that by allowing yourself to recognize and embrace your inner slob, just how simple having the life you desire, inner and outer, can be. By the way, if you don't like swearing, this book is not for you. Take it back, get a refund, put it back on the shelf if you've managed to read this far without forking out any dough. Ditch the download. I'm a guttermouth. Pretty much always have been, and while I do try to temper myself in the presence of nuns and small children, with varying degrees of success, this book is a much-needed no-bullshit approach to spiritual crap. And I'm not going to adopt the usual tones just because we're talking about big, deep stuff. More about this in a minute. I promise you, however, in payment for enduring my often brash lingo, that in this book what you won't have to endure is the annoying, constant paraphrasing of something you've only just read, or those wonderful quotes dotting every second page that are, yes, delicious, but really are just writer's filler bollocks. You can get those in all those other books you're going to read and forget, or on the internet, where all those other authors found them in the first place. But what you can't get in those other books is getting down low with the dirt and nitty-gritty of how to turn shitty into pretty. And once you start all that, you'll find there's a certain element of fun in discovering just how hilariously clever you are in blocking yourself from being the person you want to be, simply by constantly leaving your knickers in the corner.